Hiya, today I want to talk to you about drainage and how important it is, and one of my pet hates, and that is when you go to your garden centres that are also hardware stores, and you buy something like this. Now this is on my receipt written down as a planter. I want to use it on my windowsill. It's perfect width. It's priced at around about £5. So this is perfect for me to grow my herb garden and a little bit of a salad bar, some rocket on the end as well. Okay. And I'm looking to plant some mint in it for the next video that I'm going to do. But when I purchased it, it came with exactly 0 drainage holes. Okay, but interestingly, you can also buy it with matching size sort of planter to put it onto, the drainage kind of shelves almost. So no holes and £5 and called a planter. So for my money, you need to put drainage holes in. So what I wanted to show you was a very simple way of doing this. Now I want my holes eventually to be roughly that size. I will put a little bit of broken crockery and some pebbles in the bottom, but if it's that size, you don't have any worries about it blocking up with the soil, and I want to have plenty of them. So what I've done, I've put little pilot holes in. Okay, so for a pilot hole, I'm using a very small drill bit, masonry drill bit, very sharp. Okay, now I haven't got it on the hammer setting, I've just got it on the screw setting, so it's just going to screw straight down, and I've got it pointed so it's in that direction, so it's going to screw that way. Okay, now don't put any pressure on this at all. Okay, and then when you want to remove it, you press that bit, and it goes in reverse then, and it comes out quite smoothly. Okay, so you just got to remember to then press that button, and then you can go forward again. To be honest, nice sharp drill bit, you don't even need to change direction. Okay, right, so just one second, I'll show you what I've done. Now to take the drill bit out, you loosen it off. Oops, just be careful in case it's too warm, and what you'll see is that starts to open up inside. Okay, so we're going anti-clockwise? Yeah, lefty-loosey. Okay, so now I'm going to use a chunky drill bit. I'm just going to tighten it into place. You can hear that. There we are, that means it's tightened. Okay, and again, no pressure required. Try to keep yourself 90 degrees. Okay, let's see if you can see this a bit better, sorry. So keep yourself just at 90 degrees. Don't be pushing down on it or anything like that, you're going to crack the plastic. So for £5, you want to have plenty of drainage, but you want this to last forever. Okay, so there's no single-use plastics in gardening. Okay. Oops. Now this one, bring it back. Now the harder you squeeze it, the faster it will go, which sounds like we're at a fair. But you see, that's all it needs is roughly 2 turns. Okay. And I can keep some of the holes a bit smaller and some of them a bit larger. Okay. So, oops, make sure you gather up all your plastic because you don't want that going around the garden because that won't help your garden at all. Okay, and then all of a sudden for £5 you are left with something that can last forever. It has still got the raised bits there, so your roots shouldn't be sitting in that water. Okay, so now I have got the perfect windowsill planter for £5. And in the next video I'm going to show you, I'm going to plant in some mint roots so that you can actually see that even indoors I can grow mint from roots. Okay, thanks ever so much for watching, listening, taking on. But yeah, don't be afraid to use power tools in the garden. Yeah, they are very simple to use, and yeah, I mean, go for a good quality one obviously, but once you've got a drill, you'll be surprised at the number of things that you can do with it in the garden. If you like simple videos like this, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Let me know in the comments what you think of the video, and I'll try and put a few more together for you shortly. Thanks ever so much, take care, bye.